In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly boost the value of your Power Apps by integrating a custom AI assistant built with Copilot Studio. We'll go through the full process from creating the assistant to publishing it to embedding it directly inside a Canvas app so your users can get help in real time without leaving the experience. To begin, sign in to Microsoft Copilot Studio and select Create to start building a new custom Copilot. This is where you set up the assistant that will eventually live inside your app. The goal here is to create a Copilot that can understand user questions and respond with useful information in a way that feels seamless. Next, give your Copilot a clear name so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to build more than one. After that, connect it to your preferred website or knowledge base. This is what allows the assistant to automatically answer questions based on your existing content. Make sure the source you connect is accurate and up to date, since the quality of the responses will depend heavily on the information you provide. Once that's done, select Publish to make your Copilot live and available for use in other Microsoft applications. Publishing is an important step because your Copilot won't be accessible inside Power Apps until it has been made available. Now switch over to the Power Apps Maker portal and open the Canvas app where you want to add the assistant. If you already have an app built, simply edit that app. If not, just make sure you're working in the correct Canvas app before moving forward. From there, go to the Insert menu on the left side of the screen and choose the Copilot control. This is the built-in control that lets you place your custom assistant directly into the app interface. Drag the Copilot control onto your app screen, then use the Properties panel on the right to select the Copilot you just published. At this stage, you're linking the visual control in Power Apps to the assistant you created in Copilot Studio. After that, customize the appearance and the default prompt settings so the assistant fits naturally into your app. You can align it with your app's design and also guide users toward the kinds of questions they can ask. This helps create a smoother and more intuitive experience. Finally, save your app, publish it, and then play it to test everything. Verify that the assistant responds accurately to user questions in real time. This final check is important because it confirms that the connection is working properly and that your users will get the support they need. You now have a powerful, smart assistant embedded directly into your app to guide and support your users instantly. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating more value with Power Apps.